guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a DIY video, and that is going to be making our own setting spray. This is going to be a Witch Hazel and Rosewater setting spray. It's got a lot of benefits. Helps declog your pores. You can use it before and after putting on your makeup, which is great. So let's get started. The first thing you need is rose water, half a cup, which I already have in my mixing bottle. You're also going to want a spray bottle to transition it into. Next thing we're going to do is pour half a cup of the Witch Hazel into the bottle. Oh god. Well, now my bed has Witch Hazel on it, which is great. I really feel like I should be doing this in the bathroom, because I'm just going to make a huge mess. But you know what? Sheets and blankets are washable. So I would say that's about a half a cup. Doesn't have to be exact as long as it's equal parts. I'm just going to set that down there. Alright, and now you just got to put the top on. Shake it real good, just to get it all mixed up. And we are actually going to move to the bathroom to transition it. Alright, and you just want to open up your spray bottle. And we're going to pour it. Alright, and then you've got a bunch of setting spray for when you run out. And there you go. I'm going to use this as a primer, and then I'm going to put on some makeup and put it on and see how it works. Alright, I am back. The palette I used is the Rashabi Cosmetics Mattes, Shimmers, and Glitters palette. And I only used two shades. I used this one right here, and then I used this nice glitter shade right here. Get you a nice close-up. And then I used the Revlon Super Lustrous Creme Lipstick in the shade 440, Cherries in the Snow. So let's set this face. Alright, my hair's all wet, but so it looks like it does work for a setting spray. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video was a little short, shorter than I'm used to making, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will put all of the directions to make this in the comments or in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, give it a thumbs up. And let me know what you thought down below. Bye!